A sightseeing tour boat with 26 people aboard, including 2 children, is missing after sinking off the coast of Japan, with no sign of survivors after 7 hours. The boat is understood to have sent out a call warning that it was sinking off the Shiretoko Peninsula in northern Hokkaido before contact was lost, according to the Japan Coastguard. The Coast Guard initially received contact from the vessel's crew at around 1:15 p.m. local time, before dispatching 5 patrol boats and 2 aircraft in the search, according to national broadcaster NHK. There were 24 passengers, including 2 children, on board and 2 crew members, the broadcaster added. It is understood that the crew of the Kazu-1 had informed the Coast Guard that the boat's bow had become flooded. The crew and passengers were wearing life jackets, but the distress call said the boat was tilting about 30 degrees, NHK said. It is understood that the Coast Guard subsequently lost contact with the crew, before search helicopters were dispatched to the area around 4 hours after the distress signal was sent. Rescuers have now set up a task force to tackle the incident and look for the missing occupants, but a local Coast Guard official did not confirm any further details. The Shiretoko Peninsula is a World Heritage Site designated by UNESCO in 2005 and is known for its unique wildlife, including the endangered Steller's sea lion, as well as migratory birds and brown bears. According to its homepage, the Kazu-1 ship holds 65 people. Tours around the Shiretoko area usually last around 3 hours, according to the tour company.